Amazon's latest update, you can now add 500 products to your Amazon account within minutes. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to make you a millionaire on Amazon. If you stay until the end of the video, I'm also going to be giving you a pro tip where to stay up to date on Amazon's news. Let's dive in. Okay, so first, here's one of Amazon's updates right here. And let me just zoom in. Our updated Add Products listing tool helps you search for products already listed on Amazon and add up to 500 offers. Pretty much add up to 500 listings on Amazon. I'm gonna be showing you how to do it in today's video. And this is great for bulk sellers. If you have a lot of products that you want to sell, or if you have a distributor or a manufacturer that you're working with, for example, if you're working with a distributor that sells Nike products and now you have 400, 500 Nike listings you can potentially sell, you can sell them and list them very quickly instead of it taking months to build. So all you have to do is go into Amazon, go into catalog, add products via upload. If you do not see this, you're not a professional seller and you need to upgrade your account to professional seller in the settings. But if you do see it, you're a professional seller. Add products via upload. And then you're going to download spreadsheet. And here it is, updated, list products already in Amazon's catalog, right? So get the listing loader. And all you have to do is just plug all of the listings. So if I'm selling, let's go to Nike, then all you have to do is just plug and play all of their listings. If you have a tool like Jungle Scout, you can kind of just copy and paste the ASINs. But if you don't, here you go. If you don't and you're selling all these shoes, the ASIN always starts with B as in boy 99% of the time. So you just go to listing, go to the URL, B as in boy, and then you plug it in here. So let's say I'm selling Nike shoes. I'm selling this same shirt. I'm selling these joggers. I have a distribution. I went to a distribution trade show and now I'm selling these joggers. I'm selling this awesome hoodie. Let's put a space, this awesome hoodie. I'm selling this shirt. All right, we've got 5 products so far. And then all you have to do is click generate spreadsheet. So you can just plug in 500 products, right? And most of them are, especially if you make a good distributor, they're already gonna be on Amazon and you can resell them. And then it's going to give you a spreadsheet. It's gonna pop it out in probably 2 minutes. You're gonna download that, fill in all the data, what the sell price is, what you wanna do. Then you're gonna come back here, upload your spreadsheet, right? All you have to do is just fill in the data, as in like what price you're gonna sell it for. Upload your spreadsheet, and then you're gonna check your upload status, and it's going to say successful or issues. Maybe if you upload 500, 200 will be successful, and then you'll have 200 listings made within minutes. And I mean, you could probably do all this within 1 hour, and before it took weeks or months because you have to do one at a time. So this is a fast track way to create new listings on Amazon if you're a reseller or if you have a good connection with a distributor. And to get good connections with distributors and resellers, there's trade shows you can go to that specifically cater to you to help you sell in bulk on Amazon. Now, if we look at the reviews, this one has 8+ likes. People don't like this new policy because it makes sure that you can have, it's easier for people to sell on Amazon, sell on your listing, which means it's easier for them to be more competitors. I don't see how this would be good, pretty much he's saying. It's great for fraudsters who no longer have to create 500 fake high-end electronic listings before Amazon shuts them down. So a fraud signal will be new account immediately followed up with 500 new products uploaded. So pretty much Amazon, they're saying, this Amazon person is saying that it's great for people who are fraudsters and they want to create a new account and then just try to make a lot of money and then just get shut down. Or it's great for, like I was saying, brand goods who actually are sourcing large, who actually have big distributors. But it's interesting to see. And for staying towards the end of the video, what you need to do to stay up to date with Amazon's policies is you just simply go into your Amazon Seller Central account, and then you're going to scroll down, go to your home page. You're going to see news. You just simply click on read more, and then on read more, you click see all recent news. And then you're going to see all of Amazon's recent news here, and you can go back and see and some people will like the stuff, some people hate the stuff, but you can go back. There's a lot of updates recently on Amazon, and this is all from Amazon, so you know it's legit. And that's it for today's video. If you did learn something new, please do drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to this channel, because we're not going in on just regular Amazon stuff. We're going on the nitty gritty and everything in between. And I also manage over 50 clients on a monthly basis and have over 100 clients just one time coming in and out. So kind of know what we're doing. We have a team of over 50 people, and if you did need help on Amazon, you can contact us at EHP Consulting Group. One of our best-selling services is Amazon Full Account Management, where you have a trained by me, a 2-year consultant that's working with you one-on-one. They're helping you manage your ads. They're helping you call Amazon, making sure you're increasing your sales, removing fakes, helping you expand internationally. We just helped the client expand to UK, Italy, Netherlands, and now Australia. So that consultant can help you do all of that, and they set goals for you if you don't know what to do. So feel free to contact EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, signing out.